Hello everyone. So this video is about the NIFT 2022 admissions and how to apply for NIFT 2022. As you all know that NIFT entrance exam dates have been announced and the registration process started from today till 17th of Jan. The entrance exam dates are 6th of Feb. So before you apply for NIFT, you need to have some information about the NIFT campuses. You need to go through the NIFT prospectus. So in this video, we'll be guiding you step by step on what all the documents you need to gather and the how to fill the application forms. So let us start. The screen which you are seeing is the NIFT screen. So you have to type nift.ac.in and you are directed to this page. This is the home page. Here you can see the options about NIFT, NIFT campuses, academics, admissions, resource center. Just go through about the NIFT, introduction to NIFT, what are the advantage if you get into NIFT, the placements, projects the students do. So just have a look to the NIFT website. About the NIFT campuses, there are total 17 NIFT campuses. All the information related to hostel facility, life at NIFT, different student clubs, student speaks are posted here. Now, for us, the most important thing is the admission. Click on the admissions, scroll down, and you'll see the notification. This is the NIFT notification where they have announced that it will start from 3rd December. The timeline for NRI regular UG, PG, artisans, NLEA and PhD. Click on this page, it will direct you to the NIFT admissions calendar. So always just go through the admissions calendar, see which is the starting date, last date, admit card release date before you apply to NIFT. Okay, so here we can see the online registrations will start from 3rd December. The last date to apply or the last date to register for National SARC and NRI students is 30th April 2022. So if any of you are the NRI candidate, then you need to apply for before 30th April. You scroll down, the registration started from 3rd. Last date for registration UG and PG program 17th January 2022. Last date with late fees. If you're not able to apply by 17th, then they have given the extension of dates, but with a late fee of 5,000 rupees from 18th to 22nd Jan. The admit card, which will be released on online, it will be released on 29th Jan. The return examination for all UG and PG programs will be held on 6th of February 2022. Now, window to receive observation or objections for the candidate for GAT exam. So if you feel that you have any objections related to GAT question paper or the answer key released by the NIFT, then you can post your grievances in the second week of February. Result of return examination will be mid-March. Situation test, group discussion or interview will be in the month of April. Last date for online registration for foreign nations, SAR, NRI and OCI, 30th April. Declaration of final result, which will be declared on online, May 2022. The counselings will start from May to June. So these are the activities for NLEA candidates, artisans or children of artisan category. These are separate category which you can apply, but not for the regular UG or PG students. So this is the timeline. Before you apply, just go through the timeline so you have an idea what is the start date, end date and examination date. Now, in the admissions tab, you'll get this page. This has the application link. Click here to apply. If you want to know what are the things you need to fill in the application form, they have given a PDF here. in both language, English as well as Hindi. If you click on the English and click in the English one, so they have created a PDF, a step-by-step representation of how to fill the NIFT 2022 application form. So what are the guidelines? Applicants are required to keep the following things ready before applying. This is the most important thing. An email ID for registration and for receiving all future correspondence till the admission process is over. So whatever email ID you are choosing right now is the email ID where you get all the information, your admit card related information, any notification from NIFT, if any grievances are there in your applications, I'm sorry, any errors are there in the application, everything will be notified on that email ID. So you need to keep a proper email ID. Okay. So if the student doesn't have an email ID, create one, or else they can use their parents' email ID. Second point, one mobile number to receive SMS based notification or communication related to the online application. Admit card till the admission process is over and subsequently if admitted. The way with I mentioned about the email ID, you must have a constant mobile number which is on, which is working, and it should be, because you will get all the notification through SMS from NIFT. Whether your application is pending, then it will be notified by NIFT before 17 through SMS on the registered mobile number. The OTP, while you fill the application form, you'll get an OTP that will be you'll get that OTP on that specific mobile number which you have registered. So the mobile number must be yours or your parents, but it should be on. Good internet connectivity, a recent scanned passport size colored photograph for scanning and uploading in JPEG format. Please see the format. Otherwise, many of the students complain us, or the people complain us कि photo upload नहीं हो रहा है. So just see the format. It should be a JPEG format, and the file size of the scanned photograph should not be more than 200 KB. So when you just hover the cursor over the photograph, now you'll get the format and the size of your photograph. If you don't know how to see that size, just mouse hover over the photograph, you'll see the size. Your scanned signature in blue or black ink or white background for scanning and uploading in JPG format only. So your signature should be in either blue or black ink. File size of the scanned signature should not be more than 100 KB. Access to an online payment facility service such as net banking, credit card, ATM come debit card. So UTI options they have not given. These are the three options through which you can pay the application fees, which is net banking, credit card, ATM come debit card. So what are the steps to be followed for filling the online application form? Here they have given the steps. The entire process of filling the online application form can be completed as given below. So these are the steps. Just go through the step. Meanwhile, I am physically showing you how to fill the online application form for NIFT. So as I click on this link, click here to apply the option. You need to click here. A separate window will open. So this is from where you need to sign in, or if you are a new registration, you need to click here. You need to activate your account. So read each and every instructions they have given in the application form carefully. Do take time, take 5 or 10 minutes more, but do read the instructions given there. For example, important instructions for candidates before applying online. For UG, PG, these are the instructions. For PhD, for artisans, lateral entry, and for NRI. So I'm applying under the UG/PG thing. And I am a new candidate. I have not registered earlier. So I need to click on the new registration. Name of the applicant. Please fill this very correctly, because we have seen that so many students say that our name is something different in the 10th board, and the 12th mark sheet or the 11th mark sheet, it is something different. So please fill the this thing very carefully, because this is the name which will be reflected in your admit card. So we don't want any consequences in this field. Okay, so name of the applicant. Suppose I'm typing here my details. All the fields are in the capital only. So if you click on the caps or if you not click on the caps, it doesn't matter because we'll accept the capital letters only. Now your date of birth. Take time, fill these fields very carefully. Your gender. Your father's name. See, read the instructions in the red. Please don't add any salutation like Mr. or Doctor, etc. before the name. Just your name of your father. Your mother's name. Your email ID. Please note that all the communication related to your application, including link, registration for activation, etc., will be sent to this email ID. Create your password. Your password length should be 8 to 20. It must contain at least one letter, one number, and one special character. Your mobile number. And you need to enter the CAPTCHA. And then click on the sign. Okay. So please check all the details before confirming. Just check if you want to make any changes or if you by mistakenly you have put something wrong, then you can change, otherwise confirm. And clicking here confirm. So yeah, your registration for National Institute of Fashion Technology online application portal has been accepted. You will receive one confirmation email soon containing an activation link and login details. Open your email account and click on the activation link given in mail or at login page for completing the registration process and start filling up your online form. So you might have received an OTP and an activation link. So there are two methods. Either you can go to your email ID and click on that activation link, or you can go to the home page. This is activate your account. If you can click here, you need to enter the email ID and the OTP which you have received in your phone. Yeah, your account has been activated. You can now log in with your email ID and password. So I need to click on the login. I have already registered. So click on sign in. Enter the email address. Your password. And submit. So this is your dashboard. This is how your NIFT application dashboard look like. On the right hand side, you can see certain instructions for use of dashboard. My application, which is this, to select new courses or to fill up the application form. Preview form, completed application forms can be previewed in this section. Make payment, select the completed application form and make payment using credit card, net banking or ATM cum debit card. So right now my application is pending. So I'll click on my application. Status of applications you have applied for. Note, application shall be treated as successfully submitted only when the application fee has been paid by the applicant. After successful payment of fee, payment ID will appear against the course in payment ID column. Now, you need to carefully select the course There are certain options: regular UG PG degree, artisans or NIFT, children of artisans, NIFT lateral entry admissions, PhD or foreign nations. So I'm applying under regular UG PG degree. Now you need to select your course name. You're applying for Bachelor of Design, Bachelor of Fashion Technology, Master of Design, Master of Fashion Technology, and Master of Fashion Management. So I'm applying for Bachelor of Design and then click on Proceed. Yeah. So here are the eligibility details, the qualifying age and the education details. If you come under these eligibility criteria, then only you can apply and appear for NIFT examination. Okay. Qualifying age, 24 years of as of 1st August 2022 for open OBC creamy layer and 5 years relaxed for candidates of scheduled caste or scheduled tribe, person with disability categories. Education qualification, passed the +2 level examination in the 10+2 pattern of examination of any recognized central board of secondary examination such as CBSE, State Board, and ICS, or a passing grade in the senior secondary school examination conducted by the National Open School with a minimum of 5 subjects, or any public school board university examination in India or in foreign countries recognized by the Association of Indian Universities as equivalent to 10+2 system, or General Certificate Education GCE examination of London, Cambridge, Sri Lanka at advanced level international baccalaureate IB, which we call IB. Now you need to read this and accept the conditions and add the course. Now, in the application status, you got one tick because you have entered your applicant detail. Now, the next step is upload photo and signature. Click on that link. Now, after the application status, you need to enter your applicant detail and then you need to upload your photo and signature. So you need to click here in the applicant detail as you have already entered these details. So it will reflect here. Now, the category. Please carefully select the category and see if you have all the documents related to those category. For example, if you belong to OBC NCL, then you must have the OBC caste certificate and the non-creamy layer certificate or the non-creamy layer validity certificate, which is valid till 30th March 2022, which is the criteria for the OBC NCL. If you're in open EWS, then you should have the EWS certificate. And otherwise, if you don't submit all those documents, you will be considered in the open category. Okay. So I belong to open category. Nationality. State domicile. If you belong to so here it is written state in which candidate has completed his or her class 12 qualifying examination, or they will be completing in class 12 qualifying exam for the UG students. So you need to have the domicile, state domicile. You can get the domicile from the Tehsildar office. You need to apply for that. So before the admission process start, this is the application process. But before the admission process start, you must have your state domicile certificate with you, which is very necessary because there are certain seats. For example, Jammu Kashmir, there are certain seats for those kids who are the state domicile of Jammu and Kashmir. So likewise, there are certain NIFT campuses For example, Mumbai, there are seats for students who are the state domicile of Maharashtra. For that purpose, you must have your state domicile document with yourself. So I belong to Maharashtra. An alternate email ID, you can write an alternate email ID, your parents' occupation, their parent annual income. So they are asking the parents annual income because if you have applied under the EWS category, open EWS, open economically weaker section, then there are certain criteria. With below this income, you will be considered as EWS. You will get an admission under the EWS seat. And once you get into NIFT, there are some scholarship for those students. But before that, there are no scholarship. Once you get into NIFT, while in the NIFT first year, you'll get all the details about the scholarship at NIFT. Now, do you belong to any of these 8 states? So, which are that 8 states? Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim, and Tripura. If you belong, then you can write yes, otherwise write no. Domicile state, domicile status of Kashmiri migrants. Status of 12th examination. If you have appeared, then write appeared for PG or the PG students, or if you are appearing in 2022, right, click on the appearing thing. Source of information, I got to know about NIFT through Instagram. Now they're asking about the permanent address. State. Father or guardian's mobile number. If you have landline, then you can enter the landline. These fields are not mandatory. Those who are marked in red star, these are the mandatory fields. Now, if your correspondence address is same as your permanent address, then you need to just tick here and it will directly appear. If not, then you need to re-enter that correspondence address. Save and proceed. Now, next step, you need to upload your photo. Please read the instructions in the red. Passport size color photo 4.5 centimeter cross 3.5 centimeter. This is the dimension. Uploaded image should to be less than 100 kb and should be in JPEG or JPG format. So for that, keep ready the photograph and signature on the desktop, so it will be easier for you to upload. Choose the file. Then on the desktop, have a photo. And click on the upload. So yeah, note, please upload a clear photograph and signature. Signature must be on white background using black or blue pen. You can proceed forward only after uploading your photograph and signature. So we have uploaded both photograph as well as the signature. Now save and proceed. Preferences. Now for the entrance exam preferences, just select carefully which center is nearer to you. Here are certain options. For me, I have chosen Mumbai, then Ahmedabad, Vadodara. Save and proceed. So this is the preview of the application form which you have filled. You just need to check it once, all the details are correct or not. Yes, I confirm and submit. Now, the last thing, which is proceed to payment. So yeah. So here also the details are there. My application ID, you need to keep in mind about this application ID, which is very important. Then Bachelor of Design, as I am from the open category, so my fees is 3,000. If you are from OBC category, the other SC/ST, then your application fees is 1,500. Select the payment type, which is online. Now here are the options: credit card, debit card, SBI, net banking on other banks. You can select any of the option. UPI option is not available here. So the most important thing, in case you have already tried to make payment, then press the refresh previous payment button and check the my application page for the payment status. If payment ID is not displayed, then please make the payment again. Okay. Now I'm clicking on the credit card thing. I'm just taking you through the process. So here we'll find application fees, there are some service charges and total charges. Proceed to payment. Once again, the details will come here. So one important note, printout of the submitted online application form is to be retained by the candidate. The same has to be submitted along with the self-attested copies of supporting documents and the online application fee paid received at the time of counseling or admission if selected. So this is the most important thing. So other is the candidate must wait for at least 24 hours to get update about the success of payment. Please check your mail for payment success mail received. Please inform us, which is NIFT, to the helpline email or only after 24 hours and proper checking about any issues related to payment updation. While informing NIFT in the mail, please do not forget to mention your email ID through which you have registered the application form ID and your phone number. So if, sometimes you get issue while paying for the NIFT application fee. So these are the solutions which they have mentioned. The most important thing is you need to take the printout, because here it is written, once again I am narrating that printout of the submitted online application form is to be retained by the candidate. The same has to be submitted along with the self-attested copies of supporting documents and the online application fee paid received at the time of counseling or admission if selected. So once you click on the pay now, it will direct you to the your payment processes. I'm not showing that. So this is how after you do the payment, once again the final application preview you'll get. Let me show you. This is the preview. So here current my status is confirmed but not paid. Once I do the payment, then my payment ID will reflect here. Okay. Yeah, you need to take the printout of this and your payment ID status. Oh, sorry, payment ID receipt. Okay, because you need to submit it during the time of admission. Okay, so this is the process of how you should apply to the NIFT online application process. The most important thing which I would like to show you is please go through the prospectus, all the details about the courses available at NIFT, then the entrance exam pattern, number of seats, everything is available in the NIFT prospectus, along with the documents, the format for OBC NCL they have added at the end of the page. This is the format in which NIFT wants the admission documents. For example, let me show you one of that document. Yeah. Yeah, this is for format number 6, no objection certificate. Okay. Format number 8, undertaking to be given at the time of applying for provisional admissions. So just go through the NIFT prospectus. These are the documents which you need to attach. Self-attested copies of the following: class 10 mark sheet, class 10 date of birth certificate, class 12 mark sheet, bachelor's mark sheet for PG, bachelor's degree. Just go through that, you will get an idea what documents you need to keep ready. They have they have mentioned the fees for different NIFT centers. This is the first year fees. There are some undertakings. Here also they have given the list of documents to be submitted. So just go through the NIFT prospectus, read it carefully about the NIFT pattern, about type of with topics on which the questions come in CAT and GAT both. Then if you need any more guidance, then do contact us. You can contact us through here or call us on the number mentioned here if you have any query. This is the Silica Institute website, and you get all the information related to NIFT, NID, other design school here under the design resources section. Sample papers are available. If you want any study materials, those are also available here. You can buy them. So the most important thing on our website is the blog. Keep checking the blog, keep reading the blog. We have posted so many blogs about which is important to everyone who's not only applying for NIFT but for NID, UC or other design schools. For updates, please follow us on Instagram, silica.institute. We update regularly about entrance exams. We post quizzes on our stories. There are contests. So follow us on Instagram. For subscribe our YouTube channel, which you are watching currently now. And thank you so much, and all the best, everyone.